Hey, we're Bryce and Rachel, and we've been traveling the country with our kids and dogs for about a year now in our self-converted off-grid Skoolie. Follow along for the ride. So we're going to attempt to install a shower in our school bus. This is like a really daunting task for us. We've had 2 school buses and have yet to...
Zero showers.
No showers.
Inside the school bus.
So hopefully everything goes smooth.
Join us and wish us luck.
So here's our shower area. It's been plumbed, so we went in from under the sink right here. We went in under here from our hot water. We have a Recpo hot water heater, so we only need a hot water line. You just set the temperature up there and it stays that temperature. So we have it ran down outside. All of our plumbing's outside. Don't judge us. We don't plan on being in cold weather. And then we come up here and it's plumbed up through here, and our shower head should be here today in the mail. So that's exciting. And Bryce is putting these things here to give it a little lip. Testing it out, testing it out.
It's gonna be a little short, but I can get my head in there. I gotta trim it down.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Just a little trimmy trim.
You're always just a little trim away.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, we're back again. Let's see if she fits. Cool. We have a shower base-ish. Yay.
We have a
Awesome.
perfect slope.
So we got some walls cut and then realized the framing, there was nothing to hold the wall up to. So right now the baby's sleeping back there on our bed, and Bryce is measuring to add some more framing so we can secure the walls behind the diamond plate in the shower. It's a family affair. So we're working late into the night. Not really, it's like 8, but it gets dark super quick here, so we lose half of our day. Nice. Coming along. Put it on, babe.
How close I am.
Holy shit. Wow, are you serious? You just swung that, babe? Wow, where's your...
I'll just make it.
Okay. Oh my gosh! How cool! Look at the wall, Riley.
Oh, so nice.
Cool. So we just went to Home Depot and got this like repair and seal tape. This is irrelevant. This is irrelevant. And we got a new one of these because Bryce bent the other one trying to put it on. And one of these because I think our shower head is too wide. So we were gonna have this on standby with like $10 just in case, so we can still test it and everything if we need to. And Bryce cut all the walls up. Can you see? Wall, wall, wall. So all the shower walls are up. We've got this thing in here pointed the right way. This is where our little lip's going, and then all of this is gonna get sealed with this stuff and red guarded, and then diamond plate and tile. We'll show you what it looks like after we've sealed. So this is the red guard, I guess, when it dries. It's like a rubbery. It's super cool. I never really knew what it was like. So we have red guarded our shower. We have sealant shit here. And then red guarded the whole thing multiple times. Like, it looks pretty good. I don't feel like any water is gonna get in. And now we're gonna tile the floor. So we've got the tile done. All these little baby cuts. Everything's looking nice. And then I got this dark grout. This tile dried all night. And this stuff is charcoal color. Alright. Grouted and tiled, folks. So it has this plastic film on it. That's why it looks like that, but it's black diamond plate, and I think it looks fucking sick. Tell them what you did, babe. How do you say fucked up nicely? This guy cut our wall backwards. So
The angle's at the wrong angle, so.
Hello YouTube. It has been like 3 to 5 days maybe. We got our new diamond plate in mail. So we're gonna get this box cut open, get our pieces cut for our shower, and hopefully be done shortly. Another shipment of diamond plate. This is our backwards cut wall. Big whoops. But we have a, yeah, we have a really expensive template. Oh, jeez.
Face.
Nah, get off. Okay, so this is the second wall. Price is fitting up in here. You remember we had this wall done. And now this one's coming up. We're gonna put the glue shit on it and then cover up. And the final wall is going in, folks. Oh no. What's your finger? What's your finger? Yeah, buddy. So this is gonna be all black with caulk. We're going around. And then so some black caulk going around and around. Do all this, make sure it's all waterproof. So we got everything sealed. This is on, and we're putting in our shower head. And we just kind of gotta wait, let it dry. Yeah, this way too. Hey guys, so it's been about like 3 days. Our shower is not drying. So,
Correct.
yeah. So Bryce went to Home Depot and got us this stuff.
Quick Seal Ultra.
We're hoping it works. It's supposed to dry in 4 hours, so we should know soon.
It's backwards.
So our shower, it has been resealed. It says it is ready for water in 4 hours. It's been like way over 4 hours. Not way over, but it's been over 4 hours. So we're gonna try it out. Hold on, don't do it. You ready?
We're gonna try.
Ta-da! Hey, let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Oh stop! Oh stop! Oh my gosh!
Oh, it does our shower.
Oh my gosh! Your shower.
Oh,
I don't know. It looks like you just have it coming out of the
oh,
one.
I was at the wrong side.
Oh my god! We just showered at our school bus! I cannot believe it. It was like everything I thought it would be and then some. So aside from the trim here and here, the shower is done. And it functions. She works as she should. Super cool. I freaking love it.